Vlogmas 19. Happy Vlogmas 19, guys. Today is about making your bag, baby. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a bag, what I do to post stuff up on my website on Mercari and get a bag, guys. How I thrift shop and sell clothes. And I'm gonna show you my haul after I get it. So we are here going into what we call the pick spot, and this is where we go and find clothes to sell. And guys, we get really good stuff out of here. So this is what we're doing today. Happy Vlogmas 19. Don't step in that water. It's raining here. It is so gray outside. There's Journey back there. She's gonna help me today. So I'm gonna show you guys how I find clothes. I'm not gonna record in here because, you know, it's like competition in here, guys. So that's what it looks like through the window. All right, guys, let me get in here and start digging. I'll show you guys my haul when I get done. So guys, I have my haul here, and I'm going to show you guys what I got in my haul. I'm telling you guys, this store is like the best store to shop at if you're like reselling stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys what I bought when I get home. This bag is heavy as stuff. And guys, I only spent like 14 bucks for all this stuff in this bag. All right, guys, I gotta open the car. In the car. Guess up by my mouth. Once again, Vlogmas 19, guys. Thanks for hanging out with your girl D. And now we are about to I have to go pick up one more thing for Jordan for Christmas. It was something that he showed me that he wanted, and I'm going to go get it. And then I will be done with Jordan. Guys, Christmas shopping, I'm telling you, it's not a joke. Especially when you have kids that like have everything they possibly could want, but still buy stuff, so it makes it impossible for you to get them things for Christmas. So on to the next store. You guys saw my haul. Like, guys, I'm gonna show you how I turn what I bought for $14 into hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Like, I don't know, you guys might want to get down with it, or maybe you're into it, I don't know, but it's just another way you can, you know, make income. And I'm just trying to give you guys a little game on how to make extra income, you know, if that's something you would like to do. But I got like a lot of nice pieces in my haul, and I only spent like 14 bucks, and I think I got like over 30 pieces of clothing. Yes. So all right, guys, we're headed to the next store. It's still nasty outside. It's a dreary day here, but it's still no snow, so that's a good thing. So we are on our way to the next spot. I'll see you guys there. Don't know if I'll film because, guys, I'm telling you, every store we go into is loaded. Like, it's just people everywhere. I guess it's these last minute shoppers. I need to talk. I guess I'm included in one of those last minute shoppers. Say hi, Journey. All right. So, all right, guys, off to the next store. See you there. Happy Vlogmas once again 19, guys. Thanks for hanging out with your girl D. Happy family. Before I end my vlog, guys, I wanted to show you the haul that I got today for my Mercari website, guys. I'm telling you, get on Mercari, guys, and like stuff that you're not wearing, not using, just sell it on Mercari, guys. I'm telling you, you will make a bag. When I tell you I make good money on Mercari, guys, try it out. If there's anything like you don't use, you don't want, get on Mercari and, guys, sell it, guys. I make so much money on Mercari, it's not even funny. So I'm gonna show you guys like some of the things that I got. Like, I got these really cute Adidas leggings, sweatpants, guys. These are so cute. And like, guys, like I said, I only paid $14 for that big bag that I showed you guys earlier. I got like this two-piece, like this is a two-piece set like little turtleneck. Got the little splits on the side. And I have to find the pants. And then here's another pair of Adidas sweatpants that I got, guys, that I will be selling on Mercari, guys. Get on my Mercari page, guys, and follow me on Mercari. Journey, what's on Mercari? You don't know? Let me get it for you guys. Like I was saying, go on Mercari.com, Mercari, and my page is dbranch, DBRANCH 7264, guys, and follow me on Mercari, guys. You might want some of this like cute stuff. So this is the shirt. I found this Ralph Lauren brand new shirt, guys. Like, this shirt was $79 and I got it for like 5 cents. Look at this, guys. So cute. Get on Mercari, guys. I got these leather leggings. How cute are these? So cute. These will be up on my Mercari page, guys, for sale. I have a Champion Irish Notre Dame, guys. I think this is Notre Dame, but this cute hoodie, so that'll be going up. I got this Adidas sweatshirt. How cute is that? Hoodie, so that will be going up. And guys, they have like a lot of stuff. Everybody might not have like where we go, but I'm sure everybody has like a store, a thrift store or some kind of store. These are some cute joggers. And look at these Adidas pants, leggings, guys. How cute are these Adidas leggings, guys? So this is just like a haul of some of the stuff that I wanted to show you guys that I actually bought today. This polo, men's polo zip up, and this is like a beige color and it's like gray on the inside. Zip up. So this is polo, guys. And another polo, gray v-neck. So cute. No, is this a little v-neck polo. And I also got, guys, I got a lot of stuff today. Penn State, if you're a Penn State fan, this is from Champion also. Made by Champion, if you like Champion. Where is it? I just saw the here it is. Made by Champion. And then, guys, how cute is this shirt? Like, this shirt is so cute. It's long sleeve. Real cute. The collar, that's what the collar looks like. This would look really cute with some jeans, guys. I wish I felt like, you know, trying on some of this stuff. Another men's polo shirt. So guys, when I get off of here, I'm gonna have to go on Mercari and like post all this stuff up on Mercari. I don't know if I showed you guys my new bag. How cute is this Louis Vuitton bag, guys? This is like one of my bags that I just got, and it is so cute. I'm gonna have to do like a bag haul soon, guys. And then we have like a pair of Eddie Bauer men's sweatpants, gray. And then we have this cute woman's top. How cute is that top, guys? And it have like the little dress shirt at the bottom, but it's not like all through the shirt. Somehow they just connected it onto the bottom of the shirt. This is so cute. This would look really cute with some leggings, guys. Some black leggings. Pink. Got these pink sweatpants by Victoria's Secret. How cute. How cute. So guys, there is so much more stuff. Let me show you like one more thing. Pittsburgh Steelers. If you're a Steeler fan, got this Steelers hoodie sweatshirt, and it got Pittsburgh football on the back. So cute. And I think this is a woman's hoodie. So guys, that's just some of the things that I want to show you guys that I got today on our haul for my website that I'm going to be posting up on my website on Mercari. Remember, if you go on Mercari, it's D branch 7264. Guys, just follow me, hit that follow button, and follow me on Mercari. Support your girl. You might find some stuff in there that you like, and the prices are amazeballs. So guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I got for my haul at the store that we were out at today. And look how pretty my blue pillows show up so good in this camera. I'm telling you, so good. So guys, check out my website on Mercari. Remember, follow me. And if you're just coming in on my channel, my name is Dee. Like, comment, and subscribe, and join my channel, guys. And I guess that's it for today on Vlogmas 19, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Vlogmas 20. I think we're making a gingerbread house, or I don't know, but I know we're going to go see Spider-Man tomorrow. So I will, maybe I'll film that. I don't know. We're going to go see Spider-Man, guys. We got our tickets like a week ago, and it was sold out until tomorrow, on Sunday. So Vlogmas 20, we're going to go see Spider-Man. I can't show you the movie, but you can come with us, guys, to the movie theater. I will see you guys tomorrow. You guys have a good rest of your day, and I hope you like my haul. Please, guys, go to Mercari and follow me on Mercari, dbranch7264. Hit that follow button, guys, and check out what I got to offer on Mercari, and I will see you guys tomorrow on Vlogmas 20. Oh, and enjoy all your gifts. I got some of your comments, and I'm so happy you guys love your stuff. I seen like a couple of people sent me pictures of the stuff under the tree. Thank you for not opening it. Some people opened it. Like, I asked you guys not to open it until Christmas, and I think a couple of people opened it, and I'm like, why spoil the surprise? Like, it's supposed to be your Christmas gift, but hey, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to get me something to eat, and I'm going to post this stuff, and I'll see you later. Peace. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Vlogmas 19 is almost over.